Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Casa Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. And thank you so much for clicking on this video. You're on the right channel. You're not lost. Yes. So like on this channel, we do share how to make your own products without using any toxic ingredients, like for the skin, and how to take care of your health. You know, healthy is by choice, not by chance. We also talk about Christ-like lifestyle. Yes, like you are trying to grow closer to God and you want to live a faithful life, a victorious life. All these videos are on this channel. And you know what? Today we are going to talk about a very informative topic about shampoo. Yes. So like we're going to talk about shampoo is for the scalp. And we're also going to talk about what is healthy hair and how often should you shampoo your hair. How shampoo works on your scalp. Yes, so make sure that you watch this video until to the end.
So like I've been mentioning, I used to use different kinds of shampoo before I started formulating, and Cream of Nature was one of my favorite, and it's still my favorite. And also Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Yes, I also love this brand, which has apple cider vinegar in it. Yes, and I also love Eden Body Works, the Peppermint Tea Tree shampoo. These are good shampoos as well. So like we need to elevate one another. So like yes.
And to my 58 subscribers, thank you so much, my jewels, my family. I thank you so much for your support. And this encourages me like to go on and publish more informative videos for you. Yes, so if you're new on my channel, click on that red subscribe button. So we are going to use our water and our Cream of Nature shampoo just to demonstrate, because today is actually my wash day. So I did pre-poo yesterday and I'm going to use this product. So I'm just showing the close up of the product that I'm going to use. Yes. So like now I'm starting off on pre-shampoo treatment. So like I don't rinse out my pre-poo. I go straight to shampooing it. So what is shampoo? Hair shampoo is a hair care product comprising, among other things, of surfactants designed to remove sebum and environmental debris. So having good-looking hair and skin is the need of an hour, both being part and parcel of our personality. So the value of the treasure sitting on our heads is appreciated deeply by those who start losing it due to various causes of hair loss. So maintenance and grooming of hair is a daily routine for most of the people, and it is uncommon to see people, you know, unrest investing like a huge amount of time and money on hair care, which has created a huge industry selling lots of hair care products to fulfill the demand. So like what makes healthy hair? Healthy hair looks clean, soft to the feel, shiny and tangled, and has no frizz and is bouncy when shaking the head. So you have this. You require to not only have a good overall healthy freedom from disease, but a daily, you know, love of maintenance and grooming of hair. So what is shampoo? Like in simpler terms, shampoo is a hair care product designed to clean the scalp, skin, along with its hairs to
So like to make hair clean. So shampoo actually is a basic hair care product representing the largest segment of hair care cosmetics. So like it comprises of surfactants, which moves oily dairy on hair and scalp. Then dairy can be filled into the water and washed easily. Traditionally, soap which were used earlier for both hair and scalp are not recommended anymore for hair cleansing, and they don't have good lathering and leave behind soap scum, which mixed with hard water, which is difficult to rinse. So modern shampoo, as it is known today, was first introduced in the 1930s with Darren, the first shampoo using synthetic surfactant instead of soap, used initially for laundry and car cleansing, later evolved to as hair shampoo. So hair shampoo is used primarily to clean the scalp, dairy, and other environmental pollutants, sebum, sweat, scales, and other greasy residues, including previous applied hair care products such as oil, lotions, and sprays. So like, how frequently should one shampoo their hair, or how often can shampoo be used for washing? So the frequency of hair washing is usually an individual preference and influenced by length of hair, culture, sex, social pressures, and environment. So frequency and regular cleansing with a well-formulated shampoo will not damage the hair, so there is no upper limit of frequency provided conditioner is used. So like, I will continue cleansing my scalp, concentrating on the scalp because that's where most of the dairy is. And yes, and so I had to do this just to demonstrate using a spray bottle. Yes, and then make sure that you massage it in your scalp. And of course, like, for when rinsing, you don't have to apply your shampoo all over your hair. Like when you're rinsing, the shampoo will be flowing over your hair, meaning that you don't have to apply more shampoo on your hair. So if you'd like me to continue bringing such videos, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit on that notification bell so that every time I post, you'll be notified. So I'm back. I've just rinsed my hair. So like, as you can see, our hair is so clean, free of any dairy and pollutants, very clean without being stripped. Yes, because of the pre-shampoo which we did. Yes, you can check the video out, or I'll link it in the description box below. Yes, so like, it's so clean. I'm happy. I'm trying to grow out my hair and I'm really taking good care of it. And like, prayer has been one of my priority, as the Bible tells us that without me you cannot do anything.
Yes, so thank you so much, dear friends, for watching. Yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so. I really appreciate you for your support. And if you have any suggestion, you can comment below. Bye bye. God bless you.